Hi folks, Daryl Legacy here, Instructional Designer at Hack. Sometimes you may want to drop the lowest grade or grades of a certain type of assignment. This video will show you how to make categories to have D2L do this for you automatically. First, click on Grades in the nav bar in your D2L course. Click on New and then Category in the drop-down menu. Give the new category a name. Scroll down and click the box next to Distribute Points Across All Items. All items need to be the same value to enable dropping the lowest items. Enter the number of points per item and the number of lowest items to drop. You can also drop a number of the highest items in the box above if you wish. Click Save and Close. Whenever you make a new item for the category, you'll need to make sure it's correctly identified. Let's add a Dropbox assignment where students can upload a document into this new Essays category. Click on Dropbox in the nav bar at the top of your D2L course. Click the blue New Folder button. Give your item a name, and then scroll down. Don't forget to attach it to an existing grade item, or you can make a new one by clicking New Grade Item here. Then, make sure to click on the drop-down menu below Category and choose the category we created earlier. For our example, that is Essays. Then, you can make any other choices like you normally would, including on the Restrictions or Objectives tabs at the top. When you're completely finished, just click Save and Close at the bottom. Let's take a look at what this will look like in your gradebook. Click on Grades in the nav bar again. Select the Enter Grades tab. Once you've created your category and the assignments in it, you can grade them as normal. As you grade them, you'll see a small icon of an exclamation point next to some of them. This indicates that this grade is being dropped from the category total. It will drop however many items you told it to drop when you made the category. One quirky thing to tell your students about: D2L will drop the first item you grade in the category, no matter how high the grade is. When there's only one graded item, D2L treats it as the lowest and will drop it if you set up the category to drop any grades. If the category is dropping several lowest grades, it can be some time before the students start to see a grade item in that category that's being counted for them. Students may be confused why a high grade isn't being counted, so you'll need to let them know that they are only being dropped until the student has a lower grade on something else in the category. Students, and you, can manually estimate their grade until enough items are graded to not be dropped. Bonus items in that category will never be dropped, since they can't hurt a student's grade and can only help it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need any help with this or anything else, please contact me or anyone else on the CDI team.